Hey guys, my name is Aurelia and we are going to be doing a in-depth tutorial on VlogNow. It is a video editing software or app, same thing, where you can edit your videos just like CapCut. You can edit your videos, make transitions, and all type of features in order to continue to make your content. So let's go ahead and head over right now to VlogNow and let's check out some of their features. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and click VlogNow. We are going to hit this plus sign in order to edit our video. And with VlogNow, they do give you 100 free projects for the free option, but you are more than welcome to upgrade to their subscriptions. Obviously, with that, it comes with more features and just, more options for you. It just depends on what your goals are. So I'm going to go ahead and click new project. And before I do that though, guys, you can choose to use VlogNow for editing your photos as well. And they also have some tools over here as well. So we're going to go ahead and just, for the sake of this video, we're going to go ahead and click new project in order to edit a video. And the first thing we are going to jump into is the music, how to add music to your videos. So it's pretty simple. It's right here. You're just going to tap. You can either tap here or you can tap the music icon. And with VlogNow, they give you 3 different options. The first option we are going to dive into is adding music from VlogNow library. So with that, they do give you categories and different options. It's not a whole lot of options, but it will get the job done for you. So you can click on the sound, you can listen to it before adding it to your video. If you like it, you can click use. But for me, when I find a sound that I do like, I always make sure to click the star right here in order to save it to my library. So we're going to click use, and you can of course adjust the volume like that. And you can also fade in, which means your music will be fading in once your video starts, which is always a pretty good idea, in my opinion. Then you can also let it fade out. So we're going to click the check right here, and we're going to add it. And then going back to, let me show you guys where your favorites are right here. So boom. All your favorites are right here. And then you can also click my music in order to add music from, on your end. But if you're creating YouTube videos, I do, recommend you to kind of be careful with that so you don't get any copyright strikes. So here we are. We do have our music right here, our sound. You can go back and hit options and you can play around with it and adjust it. If you're like, I don't like the intro, but I love the middle part, you can go to the middle part and you can just use that clip. Okay, so we're just gonna hit check right there. Next, and of course, let's go back. You can split the music just like with the video. You can move it around, right? You can click this arrow right here and go back. And you can duplicate it. You can drag it, say, you know what, I want to let this music play for my entire video. That's how you would do it. You would duplicate it, or you can just drag the arrow right here, just depending on how short or long the clip is. So we're going to delete that. And I guess we'll just put it for our entire duration. Okay, so now we're going to jump into how to add the subtitles. Now, I really like VlogNow, their subtitles. They have, as you can see, I've already played around with some, and they really have some good options, y'all. Let's say I was a vlogger. Instead of saying, all right, guys, next stop, we're going to go to Target, and then we're going to head to Whole Foods. Instead of saying that, I can literally go down. Where is it? Let me find it. Let's see. Boom. I can hit to-do list, right? And I can edit the to-do list and I can say Target, and then we're going to go to Whole Foods, and then we're going to go to, I don't know, the park, right? And then we're going to head home and edit content, right? You can do that, and you can change the colors so that obviously you want them to be able to see the font, right? I think this is super, super nice. Y'all, if I was a vlogger, my videos would be French kiss, y'all, because this is a really nice feature. It just really engages your viewers. You can put it right here. You can, of course, first let's check this right here. You can, of course, make it bigger, small, however you want to do it. And they also have another subtitle that I like. And of course, if you want to let the to-do list, carry on for a little bit longer, all you have to do is just hit the arrow and just say, boom, I want it to stop right here. As soon as I'm finished talking about it, then bam, it'll be just like that. Okay, now another subtitle that they have that I really like is they have, where are you? Let's see. It is, I like the introductions. You can obviously play around with this, and instead of saying museum, you can get creative and say, I don't know, let's say you create motivational content like I do. You can do, instead of saying museum, you can say, I don't know, word of the day, grace, or something like that, right? And then boom, grace is defined as boom, 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 boom. I really like that feature. So I'm going to, how to delete, you're just going to click on it and click delete, or you can click this back arrow right here. And so I really like that. And then next we're going to jump into how to add stickers or overlays. So for stickers, boom, pretty simple. You're just clicking the sticker. Again, however, wherever you want it to go, you just drag the arrow or long press it, and boom, you add it wherever you want it to go within your video. You want to delete it, delete it. You want to lock it, you can lock it in order for it not to go anywhere as you're editing your other segments of your video. So like I said, not only can you add stickers on your videos, you can also add photos, which I believe they're called overlays, but y'all, I'm not an expert, okay? I'm just doing this for my beginner people like me. But I think they're called overlays. So basically you want to hit photos, and then you want to go to photos. Let's do this one. You can add it right here, and in your video, as your video is playing, boom, that pops up. So if you're like, yeah, and here's this girl, I found her channel, her name is Aurelia, boom, it'll pop up. Okay, and like we just discussed, wherever you want it, you just long press it and you place it wherever you want. You want it to be longer, you just boom, do it like that. Okay, so we're gonna go back, and now we're going to get into splitting. So splitting is pretty simple. Let's say you are recording a video and there's a long pause in your video. Instead of keeping that long pause there and making it a little bit awkward, you can split it right here. But it just depends again on your video style. If you don't want to edit it, you don't want to cut out certain parts, you don't have to. I'm just showing you guys how do you split. So boom, you split like that. Okay, and you can add a transition. Okay, they have different transitions, right? You can play around with that. They even give you the option on how long you want that transition to last. So you just guys, once you download the app, you guys can definitely play around with that and decide on which one you like. You can also add effects to your videos as such, kind of like transitions a little bit. It just depends on, again, what your desired video content is. So all right, Now we are going to get into, where are we at? You guys can also do, it's this feature. It is called, let's drag it here. It's called Mosaic. I think that's how you pronounce it. But basically, let's say you have the photo right here and you want to blur this out. Okay, you can do that. And I'm gonna hit X, and then bam, as the video is playing, once it gets on there, bam. Well, obviously you kind of want to edit it and make sure it's aligned with the image. So I think I need to put it a little bit over like so. So boom. So now it's gonna pop up at the exact time the image overlay will pop up. So bam, here it is. Okay, then let's say you wanted to reveal it. You can click that, click on the image, you can duplicate it. Okay, click it here and drag it over right here, and it will reveal like so. Boom, 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 and then you say, okay, and now here is the girl I'm talking about. Boom, and then it'll pop up. You can also do auto captions as well. But if I am not mistaken, the last time I tried to use the, I would probably use a different app for the auto captions. I think the last time I tried to use it, it kind of messed up some of my words, but it could have been because within this video, it was very, very noisy. So maybe that's why. But yeah, guys, here is pretty much VlogNow. You can speed up your video as such. Let's see, hold on. Yep, you see how it's being sped up. You can do that if you like, and of course crop and things as such. Instagram, TikTok, if that's still around, I don't know. But you can obviously play with that, and they have other fun features like mirror, flip, and things as such. So that is pretty much it. The video and export it, you're gonna click on the blue arrow, and you're going to choose your resolution, 4K, which I do recommend, but make sure that you record it in 4K, otherwise it'll mess up the color in your video. That happened to me on a video. I don't know, it just made my skin look really, really darker. So just be careful with that and be mindful with that. But choose your resolutions and then you hit export, right? The more I learn, the more I will continue to share. But this was my little quick tutorial on some of the main features. All right, guys, I hope you guys were able to learn some of the features on VlogNow. And y'all, I really do like VlogNow. I don't know if I like it more than InShot, but I am experimenting with it, and I really, really like VlogNow. Like, I really do. I'm gonna edit a little bit more content on VlogNow just to see, like, okay, do I really, really like this? And then I'm just gonna go from there. But I hope this video was super, super helpful. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any more ideas, or if you guys have actually used VlogNow and you guys know some more like hidden gems, hidden features type of deal now, or just some things that I did not point out in this video. Hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye.